Everyone, it's Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect and pair your PS4 controller on over to your iPhone. So what you want to do is scroll up from the bottom or top, depending on your version of the iPhone, and then go on over to the Bluetooth options. So for me, we want to go into this box right here and click it. Then here's Bluetooth. Let's select and hold down on it, and then open this up, and I can see my AirPods soundbar. Let's go to Bluetooth settings. Now we want to scan for a device. So we got Bluetooth turned on. Go to your PS4 controller, and we want to make sure this is turned off. So I can see it's turned on. So I'm going to hold down this button for about 10 seconds, and the light bar should turn off. And you can kind of see it right now. And also make sure your screen doesn't dim. Once it turns off, we want to hold down the share button and the PlayStation button at the same time. And the light on the back should start flashing. Now it should show up under here. Go to other devices and click it. And it should be like a yellow or an orange light now. And it should be connected to your iPhone. So it's very simple. You can see dual shock controller right there connected. And I'm good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.